Hi, first graders. I'm here to do another read aloud with you and another reading lesson for the week. Our essential question is, what insects do you know about and how are they alike and different? So we've done some comparing in the past. So you can compare different insects you know and talk about that with someone, or send me a picture or your teacher a picture about it. But our story we're going to read is Creep Low, Fly High. And in this story, you're going to hear some vocabulary words that I want to talk with you about. The first one I want to talk about is beautiful. And beautiful is another word for pretty, to describe something. The next word is fancy. And fancy means that something is not plain or boring. It's exciting. Okay? And the last one is boast. If you boast about something, it means you're bragging. Okay? And some of the insects in this story are going to boast. So you're going to hear about that. I also want you to keep your eyes open for some of those vocabulary words and also some long I words. You're going to see, even in our title, the Y making the I sound, the IGH making the I sound. So keep your eyes open and your ears open. And then at the end, we're going to talk about a reading strategy called cause and effect. Here we go. Bug boasts. The sun came up over a big field. 5 bug pals met to chat and laugh. Grasshopper boasted a bit. I can hop to the top of any plant. Well, I can dash fast, bragged Ant. Listen, hummed Bee, I can buzz as I fly high. And I can zip around on fancy spotted wings, smiled Ladybug. Lots of boasting on that page. Not I, sighed Caterpillar. I just creep, creep, creep. Then he crept away. Come back, his pals wailed, but Caterpillar did not. Missing. It was time for lunch. The bugs did not see Caterpillar. He was missing. Where did he go? I think I know where he is, cried Ant. He is hiding because he feels bad. I think that's right, nodded Grasshopper. Let's find him. We can cheer him up. The two rushed away. What if he is not hiding? Asked Bee. I saw a bird when we were chatting, added Bee. It flew low in the sky. What if it caught our pal? Cried Ladybug. We must find out. Maybe we can save him. The two flew away. Still a pal. The bugs did not find Caterpillar. Many days went by. The pals were sad. Then, one day, they saw a beautiful bug with gold wings. Hi, I'm back, the bug called as he flew by. I wrapped up and rested. Then I popped out like this. It's me, Butterfly. I used to be Caterpillar, cried Butterfly. But you are not the same, sighed Ant. But I am still a pal, said Butterfly. And now I can flit and dip. Let's go have some fun. All right. So in that story, we heard some of those vocab words that we talked about in the beginning, but we're also going to talk about now our strategy for reading. Our strategy is going to help us understand the story better. So the story I want to teach you is called Cause and Effect. The cause is why something happened, and the effect is what happened. So on this page in our story, we see that in these sentences, it said the bugs did not find Caterpillar. Many days went by, and the pals were sad. So when we look at those sentences, I'm going to think about the effect first. What happened in those sentences? What happened to the bugs? It said they were feeling what? Yeah, it said they were feeling sad. So that is my effect. That's what happened. Now, I want to figure out the cause. So I have to ask myself, why were the bugs sad? Can you answer that from those sentences? Why were the bugs sad? That's right. They're sad because they could not find their friend Caterpillar. So that was the cause. That's the why. They couldn't find their friend. The effect was that they were sad. So I want you to think about this story or another story you read, and I want you to ask yourself, what happened? That's my effect. And then I want you to ask one more question. Why did that happen? What's the cause? Write it down, draw a picture of it, send it to your teacher, and have some fun with this. Thank you for listening, first graders. You did a great job.